by Euronews Green via app. The historic climate trial will begin at the European Court of Human Rights on Wednesday. Sofia Oliveira was 12 years old when devastating forest fires in central Portugal killed more than 100 people in 2017. He felt it was now or never to raise our voices as his country appeared to be in the grip of deadly human-caused climate change. Sofia, now a university student, is preparing to sue 32 European governments for failing to adequately combat climate change, along with 5 other Portuguese young adults and children between the ages of 11 and 24. He accuses the countries of violating their human rights. The case will be heard at the European Court of Human Rights on Wednesday, September 27. This is the first climate change case go to court and could force action significantly reduce emissions and build cleaner infrastructure. A historical case of climate change for them. Victory in Strasbourg would be a powerful example of young people taking a legal route to force the governments to radically recalibrate climate measures. The court's decisions are legally binding on member states, and failure to comply makes officials liable for heavy fines imposed by the court. Courts are increasingly seen by activists as a way to escape politics and hold governments to account. Last month, in lawsuit filed by young environmental activists, a judge in the U.S. state of Montana ruled that government agencies were violating their constitutional rights to clean and healthy environment by allowing the development of fossil fuels. Why are young people taking European governments to court? When the Portuguese group decided to take legal action in 2017, Sofia had braces on her teeth, was taller than her younger brother André, and was starting 7th grade at school. His braces have already come off, and André, now 15, is a few centimeters taller than him. André stated in an interview that the last 6 years represent almost half of his life. What prompted to sift through piles of legal documents collected by non-profit group that supports them and through lockdowns during the COVID-19 pandemic was what they called urgent evidence from around that climate crisis is worsening. Now, amid coastal erosion, it is less than 300 meters tall. Evidence like this led him to participate in climate demonstrations before he even hit puberty. The other 4 members of Portuguese group Catarina, Cláudia, Martim and Mariana are siblings and cousins who live the Leiria region in central Portugal, where forest fires are common summer. Siblings Claudia Agostinho, Mariana Agostinho and Martim Agostinho pose for a photo next to burnt pine trees in Leiria, Portugal. In December 2017, scientists say that the Saharan climate spread across the Mediterranean to southern European countries such as Portugal, where average temperatures increased and precipitation decreased. Portugal's hottest year on record was 1997. Followed by 2017, all 4 of the driest years.